Case by Destiny. Today we're going to do a new experiment in which we're going to put an egg in vinegar.
In particular, we will divide this experiment into two parts. In the first part, we will put this egg in a vinegar and we will wait for 1 day. After, we will use some other vinegar, which is clean, and we will put this egg, the same egg in this vinegar. And we wait for a week and we will see the result.
12 seconds later.
Okay everyone, now we're going to explain you what happens in this experiment. The shell of the egg is made of calcium carbonate and it reacts with vinegar, which contains 6% of acetic acid.
So the products of the reagent are calcium acetate and carbonic acid, and in fact this carbonic acid decomposes in carbon dioxide and water, and we will see the bubbles from the reaction that are carbon dioxide.
The next day.
So guys, what you have to remember is a step that you have to do. In fact, after the first day that we put the egg in the vinegar, we have to change the vinegar because it has reacted with the calcium carbonate, and in fact we will put the egg in some other vinegar and we will wait for another week.
As you can see in the vinegar, the egg's shell decolors. That happens because acetic acid reacts with calcium carbonate and the straight of its shell becomes thinner. So you see one side that is darker and another that is of a lighter color.
1 eternity later.
The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself.
Okay everyone, another thing that we are going to do is to point a light source to the egg. We are going to notice that the egg with the shell, compared to the one with the membrane, has a different effect.
What in fact happens with the egg that we have put in the vinegar is the phenomenon of the diffusion. In fact, the membrane is able to diffuse the light that we put on it, and we see this difference between the two eggs. So the last thing that we have to say is the phenomena of the osmosis. In fact, what happens when we put two solutions at different concentration is that the water passes from the solution, which is less concentrated and it's called the hypertonic solution, to the more concentrated that's called the hypertonic solution.
So, in practice what happens is that the egg contains less water in percentage compared to vinegar. In fact, vinegar contains 94% of water, whereas the egg contains 65%. And this is why the osmosis goes in the direction of the egg. And we have verified that a normal egg that weighs 20 grams less than our final egg.
So guys, the experiment is over. Last thing that we have to say about this is that when we break our egg that we put in the vinegar, we see that only membrane remains instead of normal eggs that contains also the shell.
So everyone, if you like this video, please visit our page and subscribe to it. And if you want to see more amazing experiments like this, tell it to us in the comments and don't forget to like our video.